Welcome to HR Resonance channel. Today I am before you with a topic on job and career. I have my own thoughts and analysis on job and career. In my opinion and in my experience, one should choose career and not a job. Long back when I was working, I was interviewing along with my factory manager for one of the candidate for stores assistant. She was a female candidate. She performed very well in the interview. And she was a young lady, and at the end my factory manager asked her question, what is your marriage plan? Then she said, sir, my parents are looking for maybe by another 6 to 8 months time I may get married. All right, thank you. Good, thank you very much. Interview concluded. Then at the end, after all the assessment, I told my manager, candidate is very good and have a potential. Let us select. But after an assessment, my manager had an apprehension that no, this lady is going to marry. Then what happens to the job? Then my work may hamper. Therefore, I don't want to have this candidate. Then I said, no, that is your wrong notion. We should not do that. I'll arrange one more interview with her. We'll finalize. I'll get you clarification from her. And in second round of interview, I asked my manager to seek a clarification in that. Then I also asked her, what is your plan after marriage about the job? What is your view about your continuation of the job and what you do? Because after marriage, life will be not in your hand. Then the girl very promptly replied, sir, marriage is no doubt essential, but I can leave my husband, but I will not leave the job. I am a career oriented, she said. Then, in fact, I was very much impressed. Of course, my dear friends, we don't advise anybody to leave the family or husband. Family is also very important. Then I convinced my manager that she is a career oriented candidate. Let us take her, and we hired. And remember, friends, she performed very well. That is why choose your career and not a job. Well, friends, with this example, now you can hear what is job and what is career in subsequent slide. Choose your career, not a job. Let us see, dear friends, what is job and career. Let me try to explain. Job is something which is for a short-term period and it satisfies the immediate need of a person, either of financial or social or piece of work, to do a job of work. That is the job. As far as career is concerned, career is a long-term goal and equated with desire or aspirations and ambitions. This is what the Dictionary of Personal Management states. And in that job, which you are trained for and which you expect to do all your life, that is what the job and career. Now, when we understand this one in one or the other way, invariably, by the time one completes the education, one will decide, or they may try to decide the future. The day you choose the field of your study, half of your career is already designed. Later on, build on the foundation which you laid. And if later you don't get to choose your career or whatsoever reason, do not worry, but do not give up either. The reason many of us are moving towards a career and settling down for a job is simply because we want to begin earning. That is what very invariably correct. Not a wrong, not an issue. That's how one will, most of the time, will start. Further, we console ourselves by saying that I deserve only this. But in the process, unknowingly, we build a comfort zone around us and stay quietly. We don't make efforts to break the comfort wall at all. By delaying further we make it unbreakable. That's how we continue in our life. And the level of involvement you develop, the degree of enthusiasm you generate, the quantum of satisfaction you derive is phenomenal while you are at your career. This is not possible only sticking on to the job. So, having seen that one, so let us see the simple distinction between job and career. Job is temporary and career is permanent. Job is short term and career is long term. Further, job is an accomplishment and career is an achievement. Job is a task, career is a goal. Job is need, career is indeed. Job is true, career is dream come true. Job is station, career is destination, we can say. Job is filling, career is fulfilling. Further, to make a distinction, job is to survive, it is for fulfilling livelihood, whereas career is your purpose. Job is usually not planned, whereas career is usually planned and it is very, very specific. Further, we can say job is a trip, career is a relating to pursuing passion. It is a journey. Job is to work or a fixed time, whereas career is a time for pursuing your lifelong ambitions. It is a long time. Job needs education and skill, whereas career is an occupation for entire life endeavor. Career needs specialization in a specific field. Maybe it is a long-term goal. Job has a time, whereas career has no time. All the time for career-oriented people, those who are in the career, their mind and brain works all the time. So this is how the simple classification we can make is between the job and career. Well, my dear friends, now so far you heard and viewed what is job and what is career. But even then, we broadly fall into some of the categories in this way. What are those? Now you can hear further in the coming slides. But however, nevertheless, you can design your career by taking a positive approach and you will be successful. Now further you can hear the further slide on this issue. Well, dear friends, what happens otherwise also, knowingly or unknowingly or by chance, we one or the other way fall into the various categories in our life. Luckiest ones are who have made their career choice without any hurdles. Just they started, campus happened, job started, like that it will go. And the wise ones are those who made choices right from educational level. And the talented ones are those who have decided their career and achieved it after crossing hurdles. The smart ones are those that got into some profession but eventually achieved their career choices at a later stage. It is like taking different routes to reach a goal. And the practical ones are those who turn their current job into a career and excel in it. The unsuccessful ones are those who have settled down in their current job, which is not their career choice, and keep cribbing about their bad luck. This type of people also we see. While planning certainly helps to build a career, it could still be disturbed by situations and circumstances. But my dear friends, Nevertheless, you can design your career by taking a positive approach. Don't put yourself or limit yourself. Remember, all those who have achieved have dreamt in their life. Your dreams are waiting to be realized. This you don't forget. And don't have your important decisions to leave the chance. Don't take any chance. Don't live for all that. But remember, all the time, I can say, your dreams are waiting to be realized. But last but once, or last but not least, always aspire, approach, unleash, go on unleashing, and achieve. Arise, awake till you achieve your goals, what it is said. Well, friends, with that, you can decide whatever you want and whichever is very closest to your heart. However, my dear friends, with these inputs, I want to provide you some homework for the needy and those who are desirous of that. Those who want to go for the job, or those who want to continue in the job, or those who are seeking the job, I advise them to prepare a write-up. Why I am suitable for the job. However, it is not easy to bring out all the ideas and thoughts in a paper or in a laptop, but to try, go on writing, make a correction, make a draft till you are satisfied. I did in my career when I started my job. Why I am suitable for the job. Further, those who wants to make the career, or what I can say, those who are all career oriented, design your career to decide your future. That is what important, my dear friends. And to say in a conclusion, in a job and career, or career and job, now it might be clear that job is very different from the career with my explanation. There can be some jobs in a person's career, no doubt. We can also say that there is only one career in a person's life that incorporates all the jobs. A career is what you see yourself in the future. A job takes your time, provides you with some work and money. However, a career not only gives you money, but also opportunities to do what you love, as well as your satisfaction. That is what very, very important. I think that is the glaring difference mark between job and career. Well, friends, with these inputs, I am sure now you have got a clarity and you have got a pathway towards that. Now you decide and plan accordingly. I wish you good luck and all the success in your career. My dear friends, if you are liking all these inputs, it may be helpful for your career as well as your job. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, HR Resonance. And if they are useful for you, don't forget to like, share to all your friends. And with this thing, have a sight, clear sight in your mind, have insight in your mind, and decide whether you are in a job or in a career, whatever you want to select and choose. Well, friends, look for my various other useful videos on innumerable subjects in HR Resonance. I wish you all the best. Thanks for your patient listening. Good day.